How to log in to Santander Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Santander Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Santander Bank. Now on the first search you will have www.santanderbank.com. Click on that. Now it will take you to the web page or the website. So to log into your account, you have to click on login, which is on the upper right corner. And now you have to enter your user ID on the first blank. And after entering your user ID, you have to enter your password on the next one. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account or if you want to register to Santander Bank, then you have to click on here, which says first time user, enroll now. You can click on enroll now and then you can register your account. But if you forgot your user ID or if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot user ID and forgot password options. You can simply click on any one of them and then you can reset or recover your user ID or your password. But if you remember your credentials, then simply enter your user ID and then your password. And you have to click on login. And that's it. That's the way to log into your Santander Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.